Good morning friends, I welcome you all at your favorite YouTube channel Simagyan Knowledge Share. We upload knowledge sharing videos for our viewers regularly. This is our first video in the series of UGC-CSIR NET Part A, which is Research Aptitude, which is common for all streams: chemical sciences, physical sciences, lab sciences, mathematical sciences, and former engineering sciences. So, in this series, we will solve the problems of research aptitude of UGC-CSIR NET old papers, and after this series, we will give practice problems for our viewers and then solve them in the next video. So, this is a purpose to help those candidates which are preparing for UGC-CSIR NET, but due to 2-3% marks, they could not clear this exam. So, the part A, which is of 15% marks in the UGC-CSIR NET, in some subjects, the cutoff goes to 40% to 60%. The 15% part is so much important, but students don't practice, they could not get a proper guidance. For this reason, they cannot attempt the part A of UGC-CSIR NET. So, let's start the problem solution of UGC-CSIR NET June 2015 Part A Research Aptitude. The first problem is: each of the following pairs of words hides a number based on which you can arrange them in ascending order. Pick the correct answer. I. Cloth reel. J. Silent worker. K. Good tone. L. Bronze rod. There are 4 options. Select the correct answer. In this problem, the question is asking that in those given sentences, some numbers are hidden. So first we find those hidden numbers and then arrange them in ascending order. That will be our answer. So let's see the first sentence: cloth reel. The number is THREE. 3. Silent workers. The hidden number is TWO, that is 2. Good tone. The hidden number is 1. Bronze rod. The hidden number is ZERO, that is 0. Now we will arrange those numbers in ascending order. So our answer would be L, K, J, I. From here to upward, our answer would be L, K, J, I. The correct answer of this problem would be option 1. Friends, the next problem is: which of the following values is same as 2 power 2 power 2 power 2? There are 4 options: 2 power 6, 2 power 8, 2 power 16 and 2 power 222. In this problem, the question is asking to get the same value with the given expression in the equation. The term which is given in the question is 2 power 2 power 2 power 2. All the given options have the same base 2. There may be some confusion regarding the solution of this problem, because somehow if you have the terms like this, x power a power b, it would be x power ab. But here is some different condition. In this condition, your answer may be 2 power 8, because there are 3 powers: 2 power 2, 2, 2, 2. So then multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, that is 8. But in the given condition, we would solve this problem like this, that is 2 power 2 power 2 power 2. You would get 2 power 2, first get 4. In next step, we would get 2 power 4. 2 power 4, that is 2 multiply with 2, 4 times you would get 16. So your answer would be 2 power 16. That's why the correct answer of this problem would be option 3, 2 power 16. Friends, the third problem is a 12 meter by 4 meter rectangular roof is resting on 4 meter tall thin poles. Sunlight falls on the roof at the angle of 45 degrees from the east, creating a shadow on the ground. What will be the area of the shadow? 4 options are 24 meters square, 36 meters square, 48 meters square, 60 meters square. In this problem, a roof of 12 meter by 4 meter rectangular area is resting on tall thin poles. First, we draw a two-dimensional diagram of the roof which is resting on 4 meter tall poles. You can imagine it like a three-dimensional picture. The sunlight is falling on this roof at 45-degree angle from east. Now again draw the picture of this roof in one dimension. This side is 12 meter, this side is 4 meter. When sunlight fall at 45-degree angle, then the shadow size would be same because it forms a parallelogram. So the opposite sides of a parallelogram would be equal, same, 12 meter, 12 meter. For the other adjacent side, what would be the condition? Because on this side, the sunlight is falling vertically on the rib. In any condition, the sunlight falls on a roof, there would be same size of the area of shadow which is equal to the area of the roof. Here the area of the roof is 12 multiplied with 4 meter. It would be 48 meter square. In this problem, a small trick is here that how you will imagine the orientation of the roof. The hint is this, that the hint is there. We imagine the roof like symmetric condition for the sun. So the answer would be the size of shadow same as the size of the roof. So the correct answer of this problem would be option 3, 48 meter square. The next problem is for a given solution of multiplication of two-digit numbers a, b, c, d are unknown digits, then we will have to calculate a plus b. There are 4 options, 4, 9, 11, 16. In this problem, a given solution of some multiplication with some unknown quantities a, b, c and d, we would have to get the values of a, b, so that we can get the answer a plus b. First, we see the first part of the solution. When you multiply 2 with a, then you would get 6. So the value of a may be 3, 8, but no other chance. So in next condition, when you multiply b with a, you would give the unit value 4. We don't know the value of b. When we multiply b with 2, then let the b value may be 2. But when you multiply 2 with 2, you would get 4. If a value is 3, then 2 multiply with 3, you would get 6, not 4. When you multiply b 2 with 8, then also you cannot get the unit value 4. If you assume the value b is 3, then you may get the unit value 4 only when, if you assume the value of b is 3, then 3 multiply with 3, it would be 9. But if a value is 8, then 28 multiply with b value is 3, so here is 3, 2. Then check the value. The second part of multiplication. The first part of multiplication is like this: 56. The c value may be 5 in this condition. The another part, which is b multiply with 2a. So 3 multiply with 28, it is always 3 multiply 8 is 4. Then 3 multiply with 2 is 6, addition 2, that is 84. So we get the same value, 84. So our value of a would be 8 and b value is 3. So our answer a plus b would be 11. So the correct answer of this problem would be option 3, 11. The next problem number 5 is the maximum number of points formed by intersection of all parts of diagonals of convex octagon is. There are 4 options: 70, 400, 120, 190. In this problem, the question is asking the maximum number of points of intersections of diagonals of a convex octagon. The octagon has 8 sides. Whenever we take 2 points of octagon, we would get a diagonal. When we take another 2 vertices of this octagon, we would get another diagonal. In such condition, when we select only 4 vertices of the octagon, we would get 1 point of intersection. So the number of methods how we can select 4 points out of the given 8 vertices of the octagon is given by 8C4, which is combination. We have the formula of combination like this: NCR would be n factorial divided by r factorial, then n minus r factorial. Then here is your solution, that is 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial, then multiply with 8 minus 4, that is also 4 factorial. Then this is 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial. It would have the value of 8 multiply with 7 multiply with 6 multiply with 5 divided by 4 factorial, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. In multiplication, here 1 multiply with 2 multiply with 3, it is 6. The next term is 4. It cancels 8 2 times. Then what would be the solution? 2 multiply with 7, that is 14 multiply with 5, that is 70. Then the answer of this problem would be 70, which is option number 1. The problems in the part A of UGC-CSIR net are very simple, and scoring, you would have to spend only half hour for those problems. You can score 15% marks in this part. The next problem is problem number 6. Find the height of a box of base area 24 cm by 48 cm in which the longest stick can be kept is 56 cm long. There are 4 options: 8 cm, 32 cm, 37.5 cm and 16 cm. In this problem, the question is asking that the maximum length of a stick which can be kept in a rectangular box is given as 56 cm. The rectangular box has its base area 24 cm by 48 cm. The length and breadth of the rectangular base are 48 centimeter x value and 24 centimeter z value, if the height of this box is y, then the maximum length of the stick which can be kept will touch the opposite vertices of this rectangular box. So the length of the stick is given by x square plus y square plus z square, that is 56. Now put the values of x and y. The x value is 48 square, the y value is unknown, the z value is given as 24 square. This is 56. Let's square the complete equation. You would get y square is equals to 56 square minus 48 square minus 24 square. Now get the common value 8 square. From this complete expression you would get 8 square common, then 7 square minus 6 square minus 3 square, then 8 square is outside, the 7 square is 49 minus 6 square, that is 36, and 3 square, that is 9. So 8 square 49 minus 36 minus 9, the remainder would be 4. So 8 square multiply with 4 would be the value of y square. Now y would have the value of 8 multiply with 2. So the y value, that is height of this rectangular box, is 16 centimeter. The correct answer of this problem is option 4. The next problem is problem number 7. The product of the perimeter of a triangle, the radius of its incircle, and a number gives the area of the triangle. The number is, option 1 is 1 by 4, option 2 is 1 by 3, option 3 is half, option 4 is 1. Friends, the next problem is a tricky problem. It is based on a triangle. We assume an equilateral triangle because it is a basic model to get some identity for any triangle. Perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of triangle is 3a if the each side of the triangle is a. Next part is the radius of its incircle. The radius of its incircle. The center is the geometric center of the triangle which divide the median in 2:1. Now the angle here is 60 degree. So the length of this median would be a sine 60 degree, that is a root 3 by 2. The length of the radius of incircle would be 1/3 of this value, 1/3 of the total length of median, that is a root 3 by 2. So it would be a divided by 2 root 3. This is the radius of incircle. The third term is the number which gives the area of the triangle. The area of triangle would be half multiply with base into height. The area you can get by half multiply with base, that is a, multiply with height, that is a root 3 by 2. That is the length of this median which intersect the base perpendicularly. So the area would be a square root 3 by 4. There is some number which is unknown. The multiplication of the perimeter and radius of incircle which multiply with the unknown number x, you would get the area of this triangle, which is a square root 3 by 4. Now if we solve this problem, the a values would be cancelled with each other, the root 3 value would be cancelled with each other, x unknown value would have the value 1 by 2. So the correct answer of this problem would be option 3, 1 by 2. The next problem is problem number 8. In this problem, the question is an infinite row of boxes is arranged. Each box has half the volume of the previous box. If the largest box has the volume of 20 centimeter cube, what is the total volume of the all boxes? Option 1 is infinite, option 2 is 400 cc, option 3 is 40 cc, option 4 is 80 cc. In this problem, there is infinite series of boxes. The condition is that each box has the volume which is half of the previous box volume. So the series would be like this: V0, V0 by 2, V0 by 4, V0 by 8. If the largest box would have the volume V0, which is given 20 centimeter cube, then the total volume of the boxes can be given by the sum of geometric progression like this: V0 multiply with 1 plus half plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 or 4 like this to infinite. The total of this geometric progression would be V0 multiply with the initial term, which is 1, divided by 1 minus the common ratio, which is half. Then the total volume of the series would be V0 multiply with 1 by half, that is 2 of V0. The volume of the largest box V0 is given, that is 20 cc. The answer would be 2 V0, which is 40 cc. The correct answer of this problem is option number 3. The next problem is problem number 9. Find the missing element based on the given pattern. There are two series. In the second series, which is question series, we will have to find the unknown figure. There are 4 options given. In this problem, there is a given series which consists of 3 figures which are marked by A, B and C. The object figure A, if we configure a mirror vertically, then we would get the term C. If the figure A is here and the mirror is configured horizontally, then we would get the figure like this. It is the B figure. Now in the second incomplete question series, we would get the term B by configuring the mirror in the same situation. Then the image would be formed like the part B. The unknown figure C we can get by configuring the mirror vertically. Then the answer figure would be the mirror image of this figure A. So the correct answer of this problem would be option 2. The next and the last problem of this episode, the problem number 10. In this problem, the question asking is, by reading the accompanying graph, determine the incorrect statement out of the following. There are 4 options. Melting point increases with pressure, melting point decreases with pressure, boiling point increases with pressure, solid, liquid and gas can coexist at the same pressure and temperature. We will have to find out an incorrect statement out of the given options. In the given problem, there is a graph of states between temperature and pressure for some element. We would have to determine the incorrect statement from the given statements as options of this problem. First we watch the state curve. What we see, the gas and solid state would be at equilibrium on this line. The liquid and gas would be in equilibrium between the vaporization curve. The solid liquid would be in equilibrium at melting point, which lie on the melting line. So there are certain terms in the given statements. One is melting point. We see here the melting point, which is the value of temperature. It would decrease with increasing in pressure. If we increase the value of pressure, then the value of temperature would be decreased. So melting point is not increasing with pressure, melting point is decreased with increasing pressure. So at first sight we would get the correct answer. Option number 1, the melting point increase with pressure. The two other options are here. In the third option, the third statement is boiling point increase with pressure. It is clear here. At vaporization curve, the boiling point increases with increase in pressure. If we increase the pressure, the boiling point would also increase. It is correct statement. And at the triple point, all the three states would be at equilibrium. So the fourth statement, solid, liquid, gas coexist at same temperature and pressure. Again, the correct answer of this problem is option number 1. Thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing because the practice makes the man perfect. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe this channel and tap on the bell icon so that you can get notification on your mobile number. If you have any doubts about these solutions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.